Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has just said the Wazukana, this is Tushar Mehta representing the Yogi Adityanath government, the Uttar Pradesh government. The Solicitor General of India saying Wazukana, as I understand, is the place where you wash and there is a separate place to offer namaz. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta also saying that the concern of the magistrate seems to be that if something significant is found, anyone entering nearby might cause some difficulty. I repeat, I'm taking you through the big submissions of the state of Uttar Pradesh, represented by the Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, saying Wazukana, as I understand, is the place where you wash and there is a separate place to offer namaz. I think this was a counter to the Muslim side saying that you can't stop anybody from praying, which is effectively what has happened. But the Solicitor General is saying it hasn't happened because Wazukana is the place where you wash and there is a separate place where you offer namaz. So that's separate. Point number 2, Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General saying concern of the magistrate seems to be that if something significant is found, anyone entering nearby might cause some difficulty. So he's, I think, putting the point forward to explain why the blocking that area or sealing the Shivling was significant. And Tushar Mehta has asked the Supreme Court, the Solicitor General of India has asked the Supreme Court, my lords, can I respond to this tomorrow? So the Solicitor General has asked for time from the Supreme Court tomorrow. That's a breaking news update coming in. Supreme Court said that they want the Shivling to be protected, point number 1. And point number 2, they said they want the namaz to continue, the prayers to continue, not to be stalled, which of course continues anyway. And now the Solicitor General of India has asked for time till tomorrow. Let me quickly get an Abhishek. Abhishek, have I missed anything so far for our viewers?
Well, for the benefit of viewers, Niranjan, one, the Supreme Court is curious to understand from where exactly the Shivling was found. Also, what provisions have been made to make sure that the area is protected. And the court has issued instructions to that effect to the UP government also to provide the petition copy, a copy of the original petition before the court also. The court is curious to understand what are the contents of the survey report that is yet to be submitted. So all those things coming out. Also, the Solicitor General has been asked by the court these questions, to which the Solicitor General has said that the magistrate's order of sealing the area should be seen in the light of the fact that if something of consequence has been found from there, the area needs to be protected from further footfall, and it's a precautionary measure that the magistrates have put in place, to which the Supreme Court has said, okay, fine, let the sealing continue. So in a way, a stamping approval on the decision of the Varanasi magistrate to let the area be sealed. But at the same time, the Supreme Court has also instructed, Niranjan, that the Muslim side and those who want to pray and carry out namaz should not be obstructed. So the balancing act has to be found between the imperative of going to namaz after a wuzu, because the wuzu area now has been sealed, and the other side, of course, has been allowed to continue their prayers till the next hearing, which Justice Chandrachud has said that would be done at a very short interval. So the Supreme Court also does not want to prolong it, wants the hearings to take place as soon as possible. But before that, the Supreme Court has instructed through the Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, to ask the UP government to compile and bring all documents, including the original petition. And it is
one more bit of breaking news update coming in, Abhishek. Abhishek, breaking news coming in. Abhishek, breaking news coming in. No notice. This is what the Muslim side has intervened just now. In the court, Supreme Court, saying no notice is given to anyone. The application is moved, and in 1 hour the order is passed. Don't you see there is a lack of fairness? So very big allegation being made by the Muslim side that there is a lack of fairness in the manner in which the Varanasi court has gone about in its order. I think that's a very, very big allegation, a big development. The Muslim side, and here Ahmadi objecting to the time being sought. The Muslim side objecting to the state of Uttar Pradesh, objecting to the time being sought by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to respond to the court's queries. They're objecting to the time being sought by the Solicitor General, Tushar Mehta, to respond to the court's queries. That's a big breaking news update coming in. I want to bring in Kapil Sangla on the screen. Kapil Sangla, in 10 seconds, if you can quickly tell us, this is a big allegation that they say it lacks fairness. Kapil.
Fairness, when there is a law and order situation, the court can of course take matters in its own hand and pass any interim order. So if they have a problem with the court acting in a speedy justice, then I really don't know what to say to this side. That's one. And secondly, very importantly, I think what the court did was it protected, as Mr. Tushar Mehta said, a place of significance to ensure that there is no issue pertaining to any destruction of evidence or any of such things which is bound to happen in a situation like that. That's second. And thirdly, as far as 7-11 is concerned, they're arguing that the matter should be decided in Order 7 Rule 11. It is like short-circuiting the entire trial when you say that the court lacks either jurisdiction, pecuniary jurisdiction, legal jurisdiction, or territorial jurisdiction, and says that, the matter cannot be decided by this court. Only on that legal point the court may be decided.
Breaking news coming in. I have a breaking news coming in, Kapil. Sorry. Right now, the Supreme Court has said we'll keep it on Thursday. Supreme Court has intervened saying that they will continue hearing on Thursday, and that, they will hear all parties. And in the meantime, we will protect a part of this order. They're saying they will protect a part of this order is what the Supreme Court has said. So as of now, the breaking news update, in case you're watching Republic TV, everything about the Gyanvapi truth, the story so far, and I'll get in Swapnil as well on this, the story so far, in Varanasi, the court has asked for a commissioner to go. One commissioner has been removed. One of the 3 commissioners who are part of the survey, one commissioner has been removed. Report in 2 days. Very interesting. Report in 2 days. Today is a Tuesday. On Thursday, that report will be submitted. Point number 2, Supreme Court has said that the Shivling will continue to be protected. Shivling will continue to be protected. And point number 2, that namaz can still be offered. So Shivling will continue to be protected. Namaz will still be offered. So it's a status quo that nothing much changes. The Solicitor General of India, representing the Uttar Pradesh government, has said that the way he understands it, the Wazukhana where the Shivling was found doesn't really, if you're sealing that area, essentially it's an area to wash your feet, etc. And it doesn't really change the nature of the prayers that are being allowed in Gyanvapi, which means you can still offer namaz in Gyanvapi. It doesn't mean that namaz is restricted in any particular way, and that they will now hear the matter on Thursday. Let me quickly get in Swapnil as well. Swapnil, if you can quickly tell us. Okay, I lost Swapnil there, but I'm going back to Abhishek. Abhishek, have I missed anything? The big breaking news update that the report is coming on Thursday. Court continues to hear on Thursday. Court says go by the trial court, and they will maintain a status quo as of now. Abhishek.
Well, Niranjan, given the paucity of information, given the fact that the Hindu side was not present, given the fact that the UP government is still to supply documents, given the fact that the survey report is yet to be prepared and submitted, I think it's a fair order by the Supreme Court where effectively it is putting a status quo on things as they stand today. Post the sealing order of the Varanasi court, the Supreme Court has said that given the fact that something of consequence has been found from the Vazu area, the area should continue to be sealed. The area from where Shivling has been found should remain out of bounds for people to get inside, because that spot needs to be protected. Also, at the same time, the Muslim side should get unrestricted access insofar as carrying out their prayers, their namaz is concerned. So I think a balancing act being done by the Supreme Court there in the first day of hearing, given the paucity of information, a very nuanced position being taken by the Supreme Court, where they have said that the Places of Worship Act does not come at this stage. As of now, it's only a procedural application by the Muslim side under the Civil Procedure Code, and that we will hear it.
Abhishek, have a breaking news update, my friend. Abhishek, 2 bits of breaking news update. 2 bits of breaking news update, Abhishek. I have 2 bits of breaking news update, my friend. Abhishek, bear with me. I have 2 bits of breaking news update. Supreme Court has said we are staying a certain part of the order. I repeat, Supreme Court has said we will stay a certain part of the order. They will stay a certain part of the order. But we direct that the area where the Shivling has been found shall be protected without hindering the Muslims' right to pray. So the right to pray has been protected. which was one of the contentions or arguments made initially by the Muslim side. Now, that part is taken care of. Supreme Court says we will protect the right to pray of the Muslim side, and the Shivling will be protected, is what the Supreme Court has said. Point number 2, the Solicitor General has just suggested that the court, Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, has suggested that the Supreme Court may pass an order tomorrow after taking the facts and pictures in mind and issuing a notice. So very interesting that the state government of Uttar Pradesh government says the court can pass an order tomorrow after taking the facts and pictures in mind and issuing the notice. So they're saying we can go ahead with it tomorrow itself. So they're suggesting, rather trying to tell the court that they're ready for even tomorrow. And the Muslim side, very importantly, is still insisting on the complete orders to be stayed, which I'm not sure the court is going to agree to, Abhishek.
Well, yes, Niranjan. So I think the court has made its mind very clear that the status quo should be there as things exist today on the ground in Varanasi. To that extent, the sealing has to continue. The Muslim side is to be allowed to continue with their prayers and namaz. Of course, excluded from that part where the Shivling was found. But apart from that, I think the Supreme Court has made its mind clear that this is a procedural issue at this stage, not about Places of Worship Act. And that
breaking news update, Abhishek, my friend, I'm sorry, my friend, one more breaking news update. The property, the Muslim side has just said the property cannot be sealed and the operation of the property can't be stayed. I repeat, the Muslim side has just said, the petitioner has said, the property cannot be sealed and the operation of the property cannot be stayed. And notice is returnable on Thursday. The court is dictating the order, saying that the notice is returnable on Thursday, which means the hearing will continue on Thursday. So that's the concluding part of the argument on in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court, breaking news update also coming in. Breaking news update coming in. Supreme Court says the DM, the district magistrate, will ensure the security where the Shivling is found. So the onus is also on the state government completely to ensure that the area where the Shivling has been found inside the Vazukhana at the Gyanvapi mosque is completely secure. Notice has been issued to all sides, and on Thursday is when all sides can put their points of view across. Thursday is also the day, Kapil, when this report will be submitted in court. That is the Varanasi court.